Hello guys, this is Oliver Oli from Magic Touch Productions. So I just decided to make a trap dancehall beat for the beginners. This is for those who doesn't know anything about dancehall music. Those who doesn't know how to make trap dancehall music. Those who doesn't know those beginners who want to make beats in FL Studio. I think this will help you to make a trap dancehall beat. So first of all, let us go to the beat. I will let you guys listen the beat, then I will demonstrate, break it down and show you how I made this beat. It's just simple like that, but this is for the beginners guys, not for those professionals. Please, for the beginners, so that they will understand it. Simple and easy. So let's go and listen to the beat. Yeah, so guys, yeah, this is the beat which I just played for you. So excuse me, I was just feeling the vibe, so I end up like trying to sing on top of the beat. But let us demonstrate, let us break it down. So first of all guys, I started with a symbol, but I'm very sorry I don't remember where I get this symbol, because I got it like long time ago and it was in my PC. Then the other day I was just listening to it. Then today I was like, no, I must demonstrate how to make dancehall with this symbol. So here's the symbol alone. This symbol sounds like this. Yeah, I do remember. Yes, I do remember where I got it. It's from Loopman. Yeah, something like that. Loopman. Shout out to you, buddy. So I got it from Loopman. So you can go and check on this one. You get it there. They've got nice samples as well. They've got a lot of free samples. So after that, I went on and lay my precautions. So I started with this is the first part of the beat. So yeah, this is the thematic cobra kick. Yeah, they've got a sample pack which is called Cobra. Yeah, something like that. Cobra. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, that's it. So I got it there. Then I just put this kick. After this kick, then I went on and put this this snare. This snare I got it from Producer Spot. They've got a lot of free samples which are very good. They only need somebody who can engineer them, and they are great. They do have a lot of great samples over there, but these ones I didn't do anything. I just only pull this button right here out so that it will be like, yeah, a little bit smaller. That's what I did exactly. Then after that I put this snare, this hip snare. It comes with FL Studio. I didn't do anything on this one. It sounds like this. Then after having this, I went on and put this hip head. This hip head, it sounds like this. This hip head comes with FL Studio. So this is the one which, like, when after a kick, when a kick hits, it goes like this. So you can listen to it. Yeah, something like that. It goes like that. So after that, I went on and do these hi-hats as well. These hi-hats, I got a sample pick from my guy Kyle Beats. He doesn't even know me, but I'm a subscriber. I watch his videos a lot and I like them. I'm not a big fan of hip hop, but I do watch both. There's a lot of things which you teach people, and some of them have helped me. So shout out to Kyle Beats. This from Andromeda. Kyle Beats. You've got good sounds. Thank you, buddy. Hope you will see it. If not, then it's fine. So that's how I did that one. Then after that, I went on and do this. Yeah. So this is very simple. It's from Purity. Yeah, it's not that expensive. Yeah. One of the old synthesizers. So it sounds like this. Yeah, this is Purity, guys. Purity, and from Purity I go to Woodwind. Then it's a pan flute with a small letter F. Pan flute. I got this flute, I put it and it started sounds very well with the beat. Then after that I put my hi-hats. This comes with FL Studio, these hi-hats. Then I just lay them like this, different velocities, and they sound like this. Yeah, just like that. Then after that I went on and on and on and on and on, and I just did the same as well, but the difference here is like at the end here there's two. If you could see here at the end there's two. The one which I showed you, there's three. It's like something like that. Yeah. Then I went on and do this using that schematic as well. It's an 808 booming 808 from Schematics. See, Bang 808 sample pack. It's free. I got it free from Schematics. You guys may wonder, why is he always talking about free samples, free things? No, it's like this for demonstration, for those who are starting and they don't have a clue where to get the samples, like those expensive samples and stuff. They just got them free. You just go and download them free. Then after that, when you go on and on and on, you start to buy. If you feel like, yes, this is benefiting me, then you go on and buy. Exactly. So it sounds like this. Let me show you here how I did it. Yeah, it's just like this. Yeah. Something like that. Then after this 808, then I went on and on, and I did this for the second verse. For the first verse, I did this. This is from Morphine. Exactly, from Morphine. It's an ancient Asian FG. You got it from your leads, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Then it sounds like this. Yeah, here's it.